Yo, what's up guys? Dildog here, back with another video. Today I will be showing you guys some tricks on fingerboarding, like tech decks or something. So I'm going to be teaching you guys the Ollie, the train flip, well, the train flip where you flip it, the rail, a kick flip, I'm going to be teaching you guys the Manny, back Manny, nose Manny. I'm going to be teaching you guys the 180 and the 360. And yeah. So, an Ollie is where you put your these back wheels right here. Like, it depends where you're going. Like, if you're going this way, it's going to be this one. If you're going this way, it'll be this one. So if you're going this way, well, it's the same on both sides. You bring this one up and flip it in the air. Like, you put the back one up and then fly it. Like, you put the back one right here and then bring it in the air. Like, slow motion, if you do it like this, then it would it's supposed to go like that and land like that. So it's like, well, like, you don't want to put it like right here. That's not going to work. You just need a little bit above the ground, and then you just make it fly. Like that. Okay. Hope you guys understand that. The next trick I'm going to be teaching you guys is the train flip. Train flip is when you flip it in the air, practically does a backflip and lands. So what you need to do for this one is kind of the same as an Ollie. You just flip it backwards. Like, well, this is a better angle. Like that. Well, kind of like that. Like, you bring it in it's kind of like an Ollie, but you don't go forward, and you just bring it in the air, and just make your hand go that way. But not like, don't let it go like that. Still have to, still gotta catch the landing, but you just bring it in the air, like so. Well, I'm just gonna, there. So you bring your hand like this, like all the way around. Well, not like all the way around, like that. And then you bring it, like, you flip it in the air. Like that. You guys understand that? Hope you do. Okay. Next trick I'm going to be teaching you guys is the rail. So the rail is just, the Ollie is the simplest trick. Like, you just go like that. But the rail is, I'm just going to be railing on my keyboard. So you bring your fingerboard right here. I'm going to put it right here. It's just like an Ollie, but you bring it, like, half of it on a keyboard like this. On anything. You could use it with a book and a bunch of other stuff. So yeah, you go like this, you Ollie up like that, and then you go down. Yeah. So you can do that on, well, keyboard. That's what I'm doing on. You could go to Target or something and buy an actual one, an actual rail that you can rail on. And go like that, or you could just like use a book or something. So, yeah, if you don't have any tech deck, like, rail things, then you can just like, get a book or something, and then just, like, land on that. So, yeah. The next trick I'm going to be teaching you guys is the kickflip. Now, this is the lazy way. If you want to do the kickflip, you just bring it like that. Put your two fingers like this, and bring it down. You kind of flip it like you do like that, but just on this side. Like that. Like that. Guys, see that? This is the lazy way. But if you want to do the real way, you put your two fingers like this, and you flip it in the air. It's kind of like a train flip. It's the same like thing you do, just with your two fingers like this, and you just flip it in the air like a train flip. So yeah, go like this. I'm gonna go back so you can see the thing flip. There, kind of like that. Okay, the next trick I hope you guys understand that kickflip. So yeah, the next trick I'm going to be teaching you guys is the back mani and the nose mani. The back mani is simple. You just put this down like this, put your finger like this, put your other finger on top like this, and then just drag it. If you want to do nose mani, do the same. Just put the nose of where you're going. And same thing, put your finger down, put your up finger on the other side, and then go that way. That's the easiest trick. So, yeah. Okay, next, the two last tricks I'm going to be teaching you is the 180 and the 360. So the 180 is the simplest out of all the turning. You just put your normal finger like it is. You put your finger like this. Well, I can't explain it when you're in the single. Put it like this, and then the other one kind of like this. Like this. Then when you're riding, you just flip it. Like, it doesn't have to be like this. It can just be like this if you want. You just practically just move it around. Like this back finger will push it this way. If you guys see that with my finger, it goes like that. But you don't stay with it when you go. Just keep it, just push it. See this? And you just push it. Yep, and then 360 is the same. You just need more power with your back to push it around. Like that. And put it like this. And you just need more power to the back. So like that. And yeah, those are all the tricks I'm going to be teaching you today. We did Ollie. We did a train flip. We did the rail. We did the lazy boy kickflip. Oh, there. And then the actual kickflip. Oh, there. That was a double kickflip. Then back mani, nose mani, 180, and 360. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, please like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss any future videos. Yeah, like and subscribe if you want me to do any more tech deck beginner tutorials. Yeah, that'd be a lot of fun. Yeah, I could teach you a bunch of other tricks too, but I didn't want this video to be like 30 minutes long. So yeah, hope you guys enjoyed. If you did, please like, subscribe, and turn the notification bell so you never miss any future videos. And yeah, peace. See you guys later.